Another data structure we are going to implement is a linked list. A linked list is a generalization of a deck. In deck, in previous lesson, we were able to add the data from the front or from the back, or read the data from the front or back only. But list is a generalization that you can add the data at any position, and you can read the data from any position or remove data from at any position as well. So let's create a project folder for that. Let's name it as linked list. So we are going to use the same node structure from deck, which is next link and previous link. So node.cpp. Then we are going to create a list class, list.h and list.cpp. And then we will have a application code or testing code the main.cpp, and let's configure for debugger. So add the configuration and the configure, and then continue with the next video.